Hello students, this is the TSA or the Territory-Wide System Assessment, TSA for 2015, or you can say 2015 if you want. And we're looking at the reading part for the TSA. So let's jump to the poem, which is on page 6, part 2. You have to write a story about doing homework. Your English teacher has given you a poem to help you get started. Read the poem and answer the questions. The poem is called I Tried to Do My Homework. I tried to do my homework, but a show was on TV. A song was on the radio. A friend was texting me. Now, the word texting we don't really use in Hong Kong. You usually use the word messaging. My friend was messaging me. But if we look at texting here, you see, it's the same thing. Someone is sending you a message, so they are texting, okay? Texting. A friend was texting me. My email chimed. The word chime here, well, have a look. This is a chime. This is a thing. You know when the wind blows it and it makes a cling, cling, cling kind of noise? Well, go back to the poem. My email chimed. You know when someone sends you an email and you get a ding or dung dung or some sort of noise that your computer makes? That is a chime noise. Chime, okay? My email chimed, and so of course I had to look at that. You know, if your phone will chime, ding ding, you have a message, straight away you want to look at the message, right? I had to look at that. It linked me to a video of someone's silly cat. And there's the boy watching the email of the cat. I watched a dozen videos. How many is a dozen? Well, yes, a dozen means 12. 12 is a dozen. Be careful when you say this. Some people say dozen. It's not dozen. The word is dozen, okay? I watched a dozen videos and then I played a game. I almost didn't hear when my mother called my name. And here the mum is very angry. She's furious, right? Furious is angry. I looked up at the clock and it was time to go to bed. I didn't get my homework done, just other stuff instead. Stuff is things, like he's been on YouTube, playing games, sending messages, other things, other stuff. I hope my teacher listens to the cause of my inaction. Inaction is the opposite of action, right? If you do something, that is action. If you don't do anything, inaction, okay? Doing nothing. I hope my teacher listens to the reason. The cause is the reason of doing nothing. It's really not my fault. The world is just one big distraction. Now let's look at the word distraction. Distraction. Look at this guy here. He is trying to do his work, okay? That's his table. He's trying to do the work. But then this person said, oh, you need to do this. Oh, look at this picture. Answer the telephone. Blah, blah, blah. Look at this. Do this. All these things are the distraction, okay? And it's stopping him from working. So that word here, go back to the poem, is one big distraction. He wants to do the homework, but all the things are distracting him, like emails and YouTube, etc., etc. Okay, let's look at the questions now. In the first stanza, TV. TV rhymes with what? Me, friend, song, or radio. What does TV rhyme with? Yeah, TV and me. According to stanza 2, the email chimed. If something chimes, it what? A, makes a noise. B, gets deleted. C, sounds like a cat. Or D, plays a video. Which one? Yes, chime is make a noise. Ding ding, like that. In stanza 2, the rhyming pair is. Okay, so which words rhyme? Course and that? Nope. Course and video? Nope. Look and video, they do not rhyme. That and cat. So the word rhyming, words with the same sound, at, that, cat. Number 4, the student received a link to a video about a cat, but this link what? A, didn't work. B, led to more videos and a game. C, made him sing songs. Or D, made him write an email to his friend. Well, let's go back to the poem. It linked me to a video of someone's silly cat. And then I watched a dozen videos and then I played a game. So look, B, led to more videos and a game. B. 5, in stanza 3, the student said he almost didn't hear his mother when she called his name. This was because A, he was busy playing with the cat. B, playing with a video game. C, texting a friend, or D, concentrating on doing his homework? Go back to the poem. And then I played a game. I almost didn't hear when my mother called my name. So what was he doing? He was playing a video game. Okay, again, I played a game. I didn't hear her call my name. Question 6. The student's mother called him because it was A, time to sleep, time to show her the cat video, time to start his homework, or time to eat his dinner. Let's go back to the poem. I looked up at the clock and it was time to go to bed. So it was A, time to sleep, okay? Because it was time to go to bed. Stanza 4, or part 4, line 16. The student refers to stuff. The stuff that he did was what? A, texting friends, emailing, singing. B, texting friends, watching videos, playing a game. Playing with a cat, watching a video, talking to his mother. Or D, talking to his mother, talking to his teacher, and going to bed. Again, let's look at the poem here. Other stuff. So what other things has he been doing? Well, not been singing. There's nothing in the poem about that. A, texting friends, watching videos, playing a game, maybe. Play with a cat? Well, the cat is not real. Did he talk to his mother? No. No, no, no. So obviously the answer is B. Texting friends, watching videos, playing a game. Question 8. In the last stanza, the student blames not getting his homework done on what? Does he blame on everything but himself? Being lazy and playing with a cat? Helping his mother check her email? Or making a cat video? He did not make a cat video. He did not help his mother check her email. And he did not play with a cat. So he was blaming everything else but himself. Go back to the poem. It's really not my fault. The world is just one big distraction. He's blaming everything else. Okay? Everything else. So that's the poetry. And we'll talk more about other poetry skills in another video. But for this TSA, that's the end. Thank you.